Tourism has given us directions to dissolve the existing Shigmotsav Committee and reconstitute it. त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही committee reconstitute केलेली आहे आणि chairman would be the chief officer and we have nominated vice chairman, members, treasurer. So the committee reconstituted us. I'll just briefly tell you about the program schedule for the Shigmotsav 2024. As you all know, this is a state function, so even during the MCC, the Shigmotsav would be conducted by the state officials. For Sakwe, it would be held on the 28th of March, and 2 days 27th and 28th. 27th आमचो एक प्रोग्राम आसतलो आणि फॅन्सी ड्रेस इव्हेंट आसतलो, and 28th would be the main event. So main event म्हटले की चित्ररथ आणि रोमटामळ. These would be the two main attractions of 28th. And I'll just briefly tell you about the prize money and the program schedule. So Chitrarath, as I told you, it would be on 28th, that is on Thursday. And prize money, I'll tell you, first prize would be 45,000, second prize would be 30,000, third prize would be 25,000, fourth would be 20,000, fifth 15,000, and consolation prizes 20 असतले of 5,000 each. तसेच सेकंड इव्हेंट जो असतलो तो रोमटामळान फर्स्ट प्राइज असतले 35,000, second prize would be 20,000, third would be 15,000, fourth 10,000, fifth 9,000, and consolation prizes 6 असतले of 5,000 each. तसेच folk dance, लोक नृत्य, first prize would be 17,000, second prize would be 12,500, third would be 10,000, fourth would be 8,000, and fifth 5,000, and consolation prize would be 4,000, and 10 consolation prizes.